This is the JP Star Discovery One, a $53,000 Japanese campervan. A cab-over motorhome that somehow fits a multi-room bathroom with hot water, a full household air conditioner, and a proper kitchen you'd expect in a small apartment, all inside a footprint smaller than most SUVs. 7 seats. 5 sleeping spaces. Solar power. And it still fits in a standard parking spot. Sounds unrealistic? Let's take a closer look. At first glance, it looks like a scaled-down version of a full-size motorhome. But the moment you step inside, that illusion changes. You enter from the passenger side, and immediately, the layout opens up. There's no narrow hallway, no cramped entry. Instead, you step directly into the main living area. The flooring has a clean wood-style finish, and the ceiling is lined with soft, quilted upholstery, which helps reduce noise and makes the space feel more comfortable. Right next to the door, there's a small waterproof storage section designed for shoes or wet gear. It's one of those details you don't think about until you need it, and then it makes perfect sense. It keeps dirt and moisture from spreading into the rest of the cabin. Just inside, the kitchen is positioned in a way that feels natural without taking over the space. It's compact, but it's not stripped down. You get a stainless steel sink and a 2-burner gas cooktop, both covered by a glass lid. When closed, the entire surface becomes a flat workspace. Above the cooktop, there's a proper vent hood that pushes heat and cooking odors straight outside. That's something a lot of small campers skip. The gas system runs on portable cartridges stored in a sliding tray. Pull it out, lock the cartridges into place, and you're good to go. It's simple, accessible, and easy to manage. Below the counter, there's a 3.8 cubic foot refrigerator. That's large enough to store groceries for multiple days, which means you're not limited to snacks. You can actually plan meals. Next to it, a microwave is built into the cabinetry at a comfortable height, with drawers underneath for cookware and storage. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels like it was forced into place. Across from the kitchen, there's a 22-inch TV mounted where it's visible from the main seating area. The audio can be routed through the cabin speakers, so whether you're relaxing or eating, the setup works for everyone inside. Moving toward the rear on the driver's side, you'll find one of the most unique features of this camper, the bathroom. This isn't just a basic wet area. It's a fully enclosed, molded space designed to handle water from top to bottom. Inside, you get a sink with storage underneath, a mirror, a shower curtain, and a handheld shower connected to a proper hot water system. The hot water is generated by an onboard boiler. Turn it on, give it a few minutes, and you're getting actual hot water, not just something barely warm. Above the bathroom, there's a powered roof vent that pulls moisture out quickly. So after a shower, the space dries faster than you'd expect in something this compact. And then there's the part that really sets this apart. You can access this bathroom from outside the vehicle. There's a dedicated exterior door that opens directly into the shower area. Moving forward, you reach the main lounge area, which acts as the central hub of the camper. It features a face-to-face seating layout with long cushioned benches and a central table. This isn't just a dining area. It's designed for travel as well, with proper seat belts integrated into the seats. Large windows on both sides bring in natural light and give you wide, open views of your surroundings. They're double-pane for insulation and include built-in bug screens and privacy shades. Above the windows, overhead cabinets run along both sides, giving you plenty of storage without making the space feel cramped. Everything is secured for travel, so nothing shifts while you're on the road. The table itself has a smart design. One corner folds down, allowing you to reduce its size when you need more space to move around. And when it's time to sleep, this entire area converts into a bed. The process is quick and simple. Lower the table, slide the seat bases outward, fold the backrests flat, and rearrange the cushions. In under 2 minutes, you've got a comfortable sleeping space large enough for 2 adults. Above the driver's cab is the second main sleeping area, the cab-over loft. It spans the full width of the vehicle and includes windows on both sides for light and airflow. A curtain separates it from the rest of the cabin, giving you privacy when needed. To set it up, you pull the extension forward, lock it in place, and lay out the mattress. The mattress itself is designed with different thickness zones, so you naturally position yourself in the most comfortable way. Together, the loft and the convertible lounge create sleeping space for up to 5 people, which is impressive for something this compact. Comfort is where this camper really steps up. Instead of using a typical RV air conditioning unit, it uses a residential-style system. That means stronger cooling performance and better efficiency, more like what you'd expect at home. For colder conditions, there's a fuel-powered heater that runs independently of the engine. You can set your desired temperature, and it maintains it without needing to keep the vehicle running. Powering all of this is a 5.1 kilowatt-hour lithium battery system paired with a 3,000-watt inverter. This allows you to run major appliances like the air conditioner, microwave, and TV even when you're off-grid. Charging happens in multiple ways. While driving, the alternator feeds power back into the battery. When parked, the 400-watt solar panel system on the roof continues to generate energy. And at a campsite, you can plug into shore power for a full recharge. Now, stepping back for a moment. Before we move outside, it's worth understanding what this camper is built on, because that explains how it manages to do all of this in such a small size. This compact motorhome is built in Japan by Moonstar Export, and it's based on the Toyota Camroad chassis, a platform specifically designed for campers. Under the hood, it runs a 2.0-liter gasoline engine producing around 130 horsepower, paired with a two-wheel drive setup. It's not built for speed. It's built to be reliable, efficient, and easy to drive, even for someone coming from a regular car. The suspension is designed to handle the added weight of a fully equipped camper. You get stabilizer bars at both the front and rear, along with a long taper leaf rear suspension that helps keep the body stable under load. And then there's the size. It measures just over 16 feet in length, under 7 feet wide, and a little over 9 feet tall. That means it can fit into a standard parking space without the stress you'd normally associate with a motorhome. Yet within that footprint, it still manages to seat 7 people and sleep 5. That balance between size and functionality is really what defines this vehicle. At the front, the design gives it the look of a much larger motorhome. The cab-over section extends forward above the windshield, creating extra interior space while giving it that classic RV profile. The front fascia is clean and functional, with a simple grille, large headlights, and fog lights positioned low on the bumper. Along the driver's side, the body stays mostly clean, but this is where one of the most interesting features is located, the exterior access shower door. Open it, and you're looking directly into the bathroom area. This setup allows you to clean up from outside, which is incredibly useful after outdoor activities. Below that area sits the outdoor unit for the air conditioning system, the condenser. It's part of the residential-style setup that gives this camper its strong cooling performance. There are also exterior access storage compartments along the side, including one beneath the interior seating area. Inside, you'll find a manual tool used to retract the awning in case the electric system fails. At the rear, the design is simple and practical. Vertical taillights frame the body, and a high-mounted window brings light into the interior. There's also a backup camera to make parking easier. Underneath, you'll find the gray water system, split into 2 tanks with a combined capacity of around 16 gallons. Each tank has its own release lever, making it quick and easy to drain without tools. There's also a small slide-out storage drawer at the rear, ideal for items you don't want inside, like dirty gear or anything with strong odors. Looking up, the roof plays a major role in the camper's functionality. A 400-watt solar panel system comes standard, helping keep the battery charged whenever the vehicle is parked under open sky. There's also a large skylight that brings natural light into the cabin, making the interior feel more open. On the passenger side, this is where the outdoor living setup comes together. A long electric awning extends outward, creating a shaded area alongside the vehicle. It also includes integrated LED lighting, so the space stays usable even after dark. This side also houses the main service connections. There's an external shower hose for rinsing off, a freshwater fill port connected to an 18-gallon tank, and a weatherproof power outlet for running appliances outside. Toward the rear, You'll find the shore power connection, positioned for easy access when parked at a campsite. So the real question is, does something this compact actually replace the need for a larger motorhome? Or is this exactly what most people have been waiting for?